The pit depth gauge is a versatile tool that allows you to perform several different types of measurement as well as compared weld defects. With this tool, you can measure pit depth, measure depth of undercut, check weld porosity per inch, check surface porosity size, and finally measure outside misalignment. To measure pit depth, lower the gauge to the surface of the material. Gently lower the pointer into and to the bottom of the pit. Read the measurement from this scale. The extended reach of our pit depth gauge can measure pits as small as 1/8 inch diameter by a 1/2 inch deep. As shown in this example, the groove is 1/8 inch wide by a 1/2 inch deep. To measure undercuts, lower the gauge to the surface of the material and gently lower the pointer into the lowest point of the undercut. Again, read the measurement from this scale. To measure a line's surface porosity in 1 linear inch, place the end of the gauge with the scale along the length of the weld to be examined. Read the amount of aligned pores in 1 linear inch from the scale with 1/16 of an inch increments. To compare surface porosity for size, place either the 1/8 inch or the 1/16 inch hole in the gauge next to the pore in the weld to be checked. Compare the size of the pores to the holes in the gauge. To measure outside misalignment, set the bottom of the gauge on one of the pipes. Extend the tip of the pointer to the adjacent pipe and move the pointer down to make contact. The reading from this scale will give you the amount of misalignment. This pit depth gauge is available from GAL Gauge Company.